What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. In this video, we're going to talk about my FN 509 EDC. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about my FN 509 EDC. Here it is. It is clear. We're going to break this thing down, let you guys know exactly what I did to it and why I carry it as an EDC. So enough talking, let's head over to the table and break it down. All right, guys, we're at the table. We have our FN 509 right here. Let's go ahead and make sure it's clear. It is clear. Let's set that to the side for right now. First, we have our nice inside the waistband holster. And this is a custom holster. This holster is made by Rain City Tactical. I believe they're based out of Seattle, Washington. It's a great company. We got a lot of inside the waistband and outside the waistband holsters done by them. It's a perfect fitment. Perfect fitment for the FN 509. Very nice Kydex. Alright, let's set that to the side. Now let's get to the FN 509 mid-size MRD. I love carrying this firearm. When I carry it, normally I'll carry it with the 15 round mag. And if I'm feeling spicy, I'll carry it with the extended mag. I'm a bigger guy, so it still is concealable. And I just love this firearm. It's an overall great firearm. Again, put the stream light on here, TLR 7. Paddles for the light. To me, every concealed carry firearm should have a light. And actually, this comes with an extended mag release. It is ambidextrous. Ambidextrous mag release on both sides here. Same with the slide stop. And if you ever felt this FN 509, the grip on it, I must say, the grip texture is very nice. But I just put this grip texture on here from Handle It Grips. It just, to me, took this to the next level. You can still kind of feel the grip texture underneath it, but this just added kind of a softer, more aggressive feel to it, if that makes sense. It made the grip just a little bit softer, but still aggressive. And with this firearm, it does come with the suppressor height sights, which I love. And we also put the Holosun HS507C. Let's see if I can give you guys a look at this Holosun. Can I get it to focus in? There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that any good, but let's see if I can get this to focus. I cannot. Let's move my hand out the way. You can see it a little bit. But I love this red dot. This red dot does have the circle reticle with the dot in the center of the circle. So as long as that circle is on my target, I'm fine. That dot doesn't have to be perfect, in my opinion, because that circle is on you. It's a wrap. Also has the solar panels on here. And I just love this FN 509 mid-size. To me, it fits perfect in my hand. It's easily concealable. And I definitely think you guys should give it a try. if you're in looking for something mid-size to carry. Yeah, take another look at it. To me, it's a perfect firearm. Again, you have a lot of people that complain about this hinge trigger. This hinge trigger isn't really that bad to me. After a while, you don't notice. But let me be honest. It did take some getting used to. I heard what a lot of people were saying about it, and I had to get used to it. But after you get used to it, as you can see, it's just like any trigger. There's some slight take up, break, reset, break again. To me, this trigger is not as bad as a lot of people say. This firearm is easy to take down, easy to clean. It's an overall clean look. Alright, enough talking. Let's head over to the range, man. Let me give you guys a little footage of me shooting this thing. Let's go. Alright guys, we're at the range. Have my FN here. I also use this for concealed carry. What I'm gonna do, let you guys see the trigger first. Let's go. Here's the trigger. All right, guys, as you saw, that hinge trigger is not that bad at all. Let's go. FN 509. All right, now, guys, I have some hollow points. Let's see how those run. Flawless execution for the FN 509. Let's give you guys another look. All right. Yes, sir. I love carrying my FN 509, man. And sometimes I carry it with that extended mag, man. I just love the way it feels in my hand. I love the way it fits. And it just fits on my belt perfectly with the holster, man. Do you guys have an FN 509? If not, why not? And what do you guys think about the firearm? Let's talk about it in the comments below. You can check us out at clarksfirearmtraining.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's Dwight.